Hi, I'm Morgan Hart, I'm 21 and I've been in Welsh education all my life.
My name's Evie Wilkins, I live in Abervale. I'm a triplet, so I'm a 1 of 3.
At the minute I'm doing level 3 with Mudiad Meithrin to work in the Cylch Meithrin. I love working for Mudiad Meithrin. I love working in the Cylch. Just come into work and you just feel happy. That's what it's like working there. Hello, Gwen. Gwen, da iawn. Siarad Cymraeg all the time with the kids. And when you hear them speaking Welsh, it's so cool. And the words that you've taught the children.
I'm a support worker in Ysgol Gyfun Gwynllew in Pontypool. For students with additional learning needs, they really rely on us to be able to learn.
My parents wanted me to have opportunities that they never had growing up. They wanted me to be able to have every door open. And they did it. So I started in Cylch Meithrin y Dwleth when I was 2. Do you know when you first start in the Cylch Meithrin, it sets you up then for the rest of it, like, do you know what I mean?
No one in my family since had been to a Welsh school. They decided to send us to Meithrin. That was near to us in Bromau where we were living at the time. And we really enjoyed it. I think my mum found that we were able to cope. Children pick up languages so easily, it's effortless. It was completely inevitable that we were going to transition into a Welsh primary school. It was next to it, so it was just no-brainer really.
And then I come up to Cynnwys Sant and I finished my primary education in Cynnwys Sant.
And then we transitioned to comprehensive, which was in Pontypool. It's further than Bromau, but the buses were fine and the transport there was really good, and I just really loved it there, to be honest.
Then I went to Ysgol Gyfun Gymraeg Llangenwyd and stayed all the way through till 6th form. If I didn't have Welsh, I don't think I would do anything that I do now.
100% Welsh has been an absolutely amazing advantage for myself. I feel I'm so proud that I get to speak Welsh. So yeah, I've really enjoyed my journey and the fact that I can speak Welsh.